We want to find actual points for x and y. I'm going to have to scroll over here. I'll rewrite your equation. F of x equals x minus 1, parentheses around that, plus 2. You can't see it. Okay, so if we want to find actual values for x and y, remember that y is going to be dependent on whatever you put in for x. Okay, so if you were to make a table for your values of x and y, you can pick whatever you want for x, but remember y, you are going to have to use this expression in order to find that function for y. Okay? What numbers would you like to try for x? 0, 1, let's do a -2. Okay? That'll give us a variety. So when x is 0, then I'm going to plug that in. 0 minus 1 is -1. -1 squared. So you have -1 times -1 would be +1, plus 2 is 3. When x is 1, you have 1 minus 1, 0. 0 squared, plus 2. Do you notice anything about that point? When x is 1, y is 2. That's your vertex, which we knew from h and k. Okay, let's plug in -2. -2 minus 1, -3 squared, +9 plus 2, 11. So if I were to mark these points, I have x is 1, y is 2. That's the vertex. When x is 0, y is 3. So this is going to be 0, 3. If I use symmetry, what would this point be?
3. No.
I went over 1 and up 1. So over here I'd go over 1 and up 1. So this would be x is 2, y is 3. Okay, I'm 1 away from each one of those. Does that make sense?
Why did you go over 1 and up 1?
Because I went over 1 and up 1 here. And from the axis of symmetry, I'd go over 1 and up 1 again. And I went over 1, up 1 because x is 0, y is 3.
I thought we're supposed to do all the points.
Yes, we are. I'm just using symmetry to show you the other side as well. Does that make sense? Okay, when x is -2, it means I'm going to be over here. I'm going to be up 11. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's going to be way up here. -2, 11. Which you can't even see that on yours. So this would continue all the way up this way. And if I use symmetry, it's going to go up like that as well. Okay? Does that make sense? Remember, you can also find these on your calculator. So if you were to plug in your equation, which I don't know if my calculator is going to show up on here or not.